Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sticky yoga mats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hugger Mugger Tapus Original Yoga Mat. Known as the original sticky mat, this product is a true pioneer in the yoga mat market and holds up as a solid option for beginner yogis and those seeking simplicity. With a lightweight design and a 1/8 inch thickness, this mat provides decent stability and grip for basic poses. Its durable build ensures it can withstand frequent use, making it a good choice for those who are just starting their yoga journey. The design is fairly straightforward, and while it doesn't feature extravagant aesthetics or alignment markings, its practicality makes up for the lack of flair. Made from nitrile butadiene rubber foam, the mat is easy to clean and provides a reliable sticky surface for static poses. However, it's not the most comfortable option for high-intensity sessions or users with sensitive joints due to its thinner build. Overall, the Hugger Mugger Tapus Original Yoga Mat is an economical choice at $39.95, ideal for beginners or casual practitioners who don't require advanced features. Its lightweight nature also makes it easy to transport, but users seeking more cushioning or premium materials may want to look elsewhere. Coming in at number 4 is the IUGA Yoga Mat. This affordable option offers excellent performance across various yoga practices, combining a textured top layer for anti-slip grip with a unique bone-patterned underside that keeps the mat firmly in place during sessions. At 6 millimeters thick, it strikes a great balance between cushioning and stability, providing ample support for your joints without compromising grounding for balance poses. One of its standout features is its eco-friendly construction using SGS-certified TPE material, which is non-toxic, lightweight, and latex-free. Its middle layer mesh adds durability, ensuring the mat resists tearing even with frequent use. Another bonus is its portability. Weighing just 2 pounds, it comes with a free carrying strap, making it ideal for travel. However, its performance may diminish slightly in hotter yoga sessions due to less sweat resistance compared to premium mats. Overall, the IUGA Yoga Mat delivers impressive quality at a budget-friendly price of $34.99. It's perfect for beginners or intermediate yogis looking for a reliable mat without breaking the bank. Just make sure to follow its care instructions to keep it in top shape for years to come. At number 3, we have the Heathy Yoga EcoFriendly NonSlip Yoga Mat. This mat stands out with its innovative body alignment system, which features alignment lines to help users maintain proper positioning during practice. It's made from SGS-certified TPE material, offering an eco-friendly alternative to PVC or EVA mats. At 6 millimeters thick and extra-large dimensions of 72 inches by 26, it provides excellent cushioning and space, making it a great choice for taller individuals or those who want more room to stretch. The double-layer design enhances grip with a textured non-slip surface, making this mat versatile for various yoga styles. Whether you're doing a gentle hatha practice or exploring more dynamic poses in power yoga, the Heathy Yoga Mat delivers reliable performance. However, while its eco-friendly build is commendable, it may feel slightly less durable compared to natural rubber options in higher-end mats. For just $34.99, this mat offers exceptional value, especially for yogis who prioritize alignment and joint support. Its inclusion of a carrying strap and Velcro strap further adds to its practicality, making it a strong contender in the mid-range category. At number 2 is the Plyopic UltraGrip Pro Yoga Mat. This mat is a powerhouse for advanced practitioners, especially those who enjoy Bikram or hot yoga sessions. Its revolutionary UltraGrip material provides exceptional dry and wet grip, ensuring you stay stable even during the sweatiest practices. The dense rubber base offers cushioned support for your joints while maintaining excellent floor grip for challenging poses. The mat is made from eco-conscious, vegan-friendly materials, free from PVC and harmful chemicals. Its 72-inch by 26-inch dimensions and alignment lines provide ample space and guidance for precise movements. While its 0.17-inch thickness may not be as plush as thicker mats, it compensates with excellent stability and traction, making it ideal for dynamic sessions. At $69.99, the Plyopic UltraGrip Pro Yoga Mat is a premium investment for serious yogis who value performance and sustainability. Its durability and sweat resistance make it a standout choice, but beginners may find its price and thinner cushioning less appealing. Finally, at number 1, we have the Jade Yoga Harmony Yoga Mat. If you're looking for the ultimate yoga experience, this mat delivers in spades. Crafted from natural, open-cell rubber, it offers unmatched grip and cushioning, making it the top choice for yoga teachers and seasoned practitioners. Its 3/16-inch thickness provides the perfect balance of comfort and stability, allowing you to flow seamlessly through poses while protecting your joints. Jade Yoga prioritizes sustainability by using natural rubber and planting a tree for every mat sold. Since 2006, they've contributed to planting over 2.5 million trees, making this mat an eco-conscious choice for environmentally aware yogis. At 68 inches by 24 inches, it's slightly smaller than some mats, but still provides ample space for most users. Its durability and superior performance make it suitable for everything from gentle yin yoga to vigorous vinyasa flows. Priced at $89.99, the Jade Yoga Harmony Yoga Mat is an investment in quality, comfort, and sustainability. It's ideal for committed practitioners who value top-tier performance and are willing to pay a premium for it. Its only downside is the higher price point, but the benefits far outweigh the cost for serious yogis. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.